Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Life from Nutrition. So welcome to a new art video. So today I'm gonna give a tutorial. Again, so here is my new art of our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. So first, let's begin with how I made it. And so first, let's because I was a beginner right now, and I'm a beginner, so I use the grid method. So if you are also want to draw, you can make a grid method. So you can just take approximation with the photo by making a grid, by having grid app, and you can just take first put the picture, you can make the grid. So I have done that like that. So then after drawing the outline of this sketch, coming towards the shading. So this mustache and the hair is made with with HB pencil, very lightly we have shaded, and light blending. And if the blending is dark, you can use an edible eraser to light the shade. If you don't have an edible eraser, don't worry, you can use your normal eraser and lightly you can erase, so you can get this type of light shades. Now coming towards the face, the skin, here I have using two pencils. So one is HB light shade. First I give whole this part, like the whole nose and then the skin, HB. After that, where it should be darker part according to the photo, there I have using 2B and HB to get nice and mix up of them. So here I have made it with 2B and HB, and here two somewhat in the forehead, and this side almost it is like with mix. And then coming towards nose, this highlights I have made with HB pencil, and where it was dark I did it with 2B. And this outline is made with 4B pencil, and this is you draw it for. I have used my pen pencil and shade a bit dark. And then next, coming towards eyes is shaded with two pencils. The dark part is shaded with 4B and the lighter part is shaded with HB on the both eyes. And the touch-ups are given like this, designs and touch-ups, and the sketch part, like minor details and major details are given with HB pencil and 4B, and lightly use of 2B pencil. And coming towards ears, the outer part is made with 3B pencil, and the inner part is made with HB and 2B. So this point you can see that is made with 2B, and the leftover is made with HB. And same here, this is made with 2B, this is HB, and this is 3B. Now coming towards lips is made with this dark highlights are made with 4B pencil, and the light highlights are made with HB pencil. Now coming towards the suit, so this is made with HB, and this is a light plain I made it, and this one is also made with HB, and this much part is made of HB, and the leftover part, which is dark, is made up of 4B and 6B. And then you come towards our outline you can do with a pen pencil or a dark grade of pencil like 6B, 8B, or 4B or 10B. That's on your option. Now coming to blend the photo with the background, I have taken 6B pencil and shaded on the background, and then I have blended it. And then after that, I have taken around the fold. You can see a different design over here, overall out of the sketch. So I have taken a more bit of 4B pencil and shaded all over the borders of the sketch, and then I have used a blending stump to blend it up. So this is how this art was created, like I made it. So I hope you would have liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and continue watching my channel. New videos are on the way. So I hope you liked it. Bye bye. Meet in the next video.